and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea with me, Victoria. Thank you so much for joining me on yet another exciting video. So as you may be able to tell, today's video is an unboxing video. I am so excited for this. It feels like I've been waiting forever for this to arrive. In reality, it hasn't taken that long to get here. It's been surprisingly quick, bearing in mind it's been coming from Australia, from the Sea Monkey site. I am so excited. This got delivered this morning and oh my gosh, I am so excited to open it. I've had a sneak peek in the top just to double check what it was, but I haven't actually opened anything inside the box yet, so I'm so excited. I literally cannot tell you how excited I am to get inside this box right now. Oh, it feels like I've been waiting forever. It's not been that long. It's come all the way from Australia, and it's really not taken that long to get here. But oh, this is a new Sea Monkey tank. So the second I saw that Sea Monkeys had released a new tank on Instagram, I was like, I have to buy this tank right now. Take all my gold, give me the new tank. And this is a different tank compared to normal Sea Monkeys tanks. It's a larger tank that have been really difficult to get hold of in the UK, but this is an exclusive UK Sea Monkey tank. And as far as I'm aware at this point, no one else has unboxed this on YouTube. I've not seen anyone else post about them in the UK, so this could be a UK first video, which makes it even more exciting. And there will be a setup video on this, but for now, let's unbox. Cheers. If you haven't already, please hit like on the video. I really appreciate all your support, and it helps support the algorithm, and it's just good. So please like my video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe and remember to hit that bell for notifications. And if you want to comment down below, I will read them and get back to you. So, unboxing time! So, there's some bubble wrap. So, there is two big boxes in here. One's labelled as Volcano, one is labelled as Superset, and this is the one I have been waiting for. Oh, I'm just going to move that onto the floor. So let me try and get into this box. So there is a little Sea Monkeys, there's a little Sea Monkey card on the top which has all of their details on. I'll just show you that there. So this is the Sea Monkey Superset, and I will leave all of their details down in the comments if you want to get one for yourself or follow them on Instagram, Facebook, anything like that. I'll leave their website for the UK down in the description. So let's get in this box. If I can open it, that isn't just completely destroying it, but you can tell I'm excited, just absolutely desperate to get in this box. Oh, a million bubble air pump, and it's purple. It's purple, it's so pretty. It's like almost got a shine to it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And there is a little Sea Monkey card in here. And then, let's get this out. Oh, I'm so excited. Try not to cut my fingers off in the excitement, trying to get into the parcel. It's been really well packaged, it's really secure. As you can see, I'm struggling to get into it, having a bit of a fight with the bubble wrap. But it has been packaged really well. It has come all the way from Australia, so it has survived the journey. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, this is so cute. So this is a glass tank. Oh, this is so exciting. There's some more bubble wrap inside. There's a little Sea Monkeys card with all of their details on. There is the Sea Monkeys handbook. And then inside we have all of the packets. So we have a really cute Sea Monkey feeding spoon with a little sea monkey on. We have the lovely glass bowl. So I believe this is 3 times the size of a regular Sea Monkey tank. So we have 3 water purifier packets. We have 3 packets of instant eggs. We have 3 packets of the Sea Monkey growth food here. And 3 packets of the plasma, which is packet number 4, which is really hard to get hold of in UK tanks. It doesn't standardly come in them. However, in this one, it does. You can get the plasma, which is designed, I'll read off the back, it's formulated so that 50% more young sea monkeys will grow and thrive in any ocean zoo aquarium. 10 days after hatching, add 3 large scoops of plasma with the Sea Monkey feeding spoon. So you can use the large end of the spoons if you've got the double-ended ones. So, and then you do this every 2 weeks. So there'll be more videos on all of these in the future. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It has arrived. Oh, look at that beauty. It's like a proper little goldfish bowl for my sea monkeys. Oh, this is going to go on my desk. I am absolutely in love with it. So I do have some more items actually in the box. It's not just this. So let's open them and see what else I've got. I mean, it's been a while since I ordered, so apart from this, I'm not entirely sure what's in the box. So let's see. So this is the other box, which is labelled Volcano, which gives me a little bit of an idea of what is actually in it. I have so many Sea Monkey tanks to set up now. So many tanks to set up. So we have the Sea Monkeys Ocean Volcano. This is my first ever Ocean Volcano. I haven't got them. I've got various ocean zoos, Sea Monkey Magic Castle. I've got various non-Sea Monkey branded tanks as well, like Aqua Dragons and Seachers. And this is my first Sea Monkey Ocean Volcano in blue. So my other Sea Monkey tanks, I've got pink, I've got green, and now I have blue to add to the collection. And inside as well, we have an extra packet of the plasma, because you can now get hold of it in the UK. And we have some Sea Monkey feeding spoons. They're so cute with the little sea monkeys on. See how cute they are? Oh my gosh, this parcel is so exciting. Like, I cannot contain my excitement. This video is just me nerding out over sea monkeys. It's brilliant. I am so excited to set that up. I am going to go and make another video very shortly on setting this up. That should be released on Sunday. So if you want to see me setting that up, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications, and you'll be one of the first people to see this tank set up in the UK. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video, and I look forward to seeing you in my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like the video and leave a comment down below. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy your day, evening, whatever it is where you are. Enjoy. Cheers.